So yesterday I was I I was searching for all the domains that in which I'm gonna work after doing my MBA, and I've got these things. So first domain was HR, Human Resource Manager. After getting past, after getting my degree, MBA degree, after getting my MBA degree, uh, I'm required, if I choose HR domain, then I am required to hire employees, train them, uh, train them, train them perfectly to work in a specific corporate conditions. After, okay, and manage their conflict if happens any. And I was also searching that uh, at which body part there will be most pressure while performing that job. So I got to know it is my voice and voice. One more thing I'm forgetting. So that's the thing in HR. A second domain is IB, International Business. If I select that uh, domain, then let's say I have got placed in Bahamas. So there I am international business manager. So what am I required to do is, like, there are a lot of outlets of Bahamas in India, in France, in Russia, and all over the world. I believe there are. So I am required to manage uh, all those outlets, manage conflicts if there are any around the world, across the world, in the Bahamas outlets, Bahamas centers. Then if I talk about third domain, it was marketing. Marketing here, like, let's say I got placed in Puma. So now I got placed in Puma. Puma Puma makes different kinds of products, like they used to make shoes, t-shirts, uh, shorts, fitness related things, like uh, running, tracksuit. So what I am required to do is, like, their fashion is changing so fast. So basically I am responsible for the presence of new products of Puma and also the existing products of Puma. So to make present those products of Puma in the market, sorry, like, to make aware people about the products of Puma, that they exist and how valuable they are, whether how valuable and how of how premium quality they are. So for that thing I'm responsible, like, uh, and making those people aware about this thing, making online presence of Puma as well as offline presence, pursuing people, doing something so that I can pursue people to buy products of Puma. So for that kind of stuff I'm responsible for. Like, when I was yesterday talking to one of marketing specialist, he was telling me that how I am required to learn SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine management, and all that stuff, so that I can make online presence of Puma. So that's the work in marketing. I talk about HR, international business, and marketing. Now there is one more thing. There is next thing, which is finance. Okay, so if I choose my career in finance domain, then my duty will look like this. There's a company. There's a company called Tata. Let's say there's a company called, okay, there's a company called Zomato. Okay, it's a company. Now I have got placed there in the domain of, in the finance domain. Now for what I'm responsible is, Zomato is not owned by a single person. There are numerous owners of Zomato. So there is an it's not responsibility of one person to get funds in Zomato, get funds for Zomato, but of the whole people. Sorry, let's cut it. So as I'm in the domain of finance, now what now whenever Zomato requires money, whenever Zomato requires money, I am the one who will suggest Zomato from where, how much to raise, like from debt, how much we have to raise, and from equity, how much we have to raise. And like if we have excess funds, so where to invest that fund, and if like we have reserves, so how much reserves we have to use. The forecast, the budgeting thing also in my hand. If I choose the finance domain, HR done, international business done, finance done, marketing done. Okay, then comes business analytics, business analysis, business analysis, not analytics, business analysis. Here, if I choose the domain of business analysis, uh, this job is well reputed and flexible, and also flexible. So here, uh, for if I choose business analytics, now I am responsible for getting information from data, letting company know what their data says to them, what uh, what are the good what are the good opportunities their data suggests to them, how data is instructing them to implement what strategies, to give up with what strategies. That thing I'm gonna suggest. Like this thing was gonna work in such a way, like let's say I work in Nike. In Nike, I am business analytic manager, business analysis manager. Okay, now my responsibility is, they will give me data from their different activities, like like they when there is a same quality of shoes, there is a same type of shoes, but the sole color is bit different, then the cost of per shoes is this, and in India the cost of per shoes is this, in America the cost of per shoes is this, and they listed out all the shoes and their cost. Okay, and there is also one more let's say workbook, where they shown that if the color of shoelace is half green and half black, then who prefer those shoes more, and how much sales of those shoes increase, and all that start data, it's in number. All that data in number, that if shoes color is black, then how much customers purchase them, at what price they could at what price they could go up to. All that data is there. Now, what my responsibility is, I have to study that data where there is lacks of text, where there is which is so number heavy, and I I should be expert in getting the answer about what number says. I will read out that spreadsheet. I will read out that spreadsheet and make dashboard for my business, for my company Nike, and by that they'll easily study like 15 years of people in India whether they prefer products of Nike. Now, if the answer coming no, there is so much lower sales, so close that production. That thing I'm responsible. If I choose business analysis, okay, then HR done, finance done, international business done, business analysis done, marketing done, HR, finance, business analysis, international business, marketing. Then comes operations. What is operation? In operation, so basically in operation, if I become an operation manager, then I'm responsible for, let's say in India, Nike have thousands of outlets now. Thousands of outlets now in, and I believe there is one single or maybe few uh, few what we said few warehouses to store their inventory that is already made up, because they can't store all whole of the inventory in their outlets, because they also have limited space. So I'm responsible for how much a specific outlet needs to be stored, how much now uh, how much from a specific warehouse how much products from a specific warehouse need to be transported to different outlets. Also, I am responsible for production of production of products at maximum, at optimum level. Like there should be uh, uh, okay, maintaining its quality at best, and also maintaining its quality at best, and also it should be cost friendly. For that thing I'm responsible. I'll suggest my workers, like blue collar employees, that what to do, how to perform, like shoes, like I'm responsible for managing the operations basically. Hmm. This is what I'm responsible to do in operations. International business done, marketing done, international business, marketing, finance, business analysis, operations. HR, marketing, international business, finance, business analysis, operations. Seventh thing is Huh. Seventh is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is also one domain after MBA. So in entrepreneurship, as you know, I'm responsible for pitching my ideas. I'm responsible for managing my whole startup, like raising funds for it if I got any problem while running that startup, to solving that problem, so smoothly running all the functions of my startup and all that stuff. I'm responsible for all those things. This is what one domain, entrepreneurship. I mean, there is one more domain, I've forgotten about it. Let us